वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू। तो आज हम लेते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन अपस्ट्रीम डाउनस्ट्रीम टाइप। This is one topic all of you find it very difficult. Now let me clarify it. Okay, we are just going to take up about 3 sums and that will take. Now after that you'll be definitely be able to do these sums. It is my promise to you all. You'll definitely get. Okay, so आप देखिए मेरे साथ ये तीनों सम मैं कैसे करती हूँ। तो फिर स्पीड ऑफ अ बोट इन स्टिल वाटर। तो पहले तो इस सम का कॉन्सेप्ट समझते हैं। इस सम का कॉन्सेप्ट कुछ ऐसा है कि ऐसा जा रहा है एक स्ट्रीम जा रहा है, रिवर नहीं। स्ट्रीम यानी कि जो पहाड़ों में, यानी कि दिस इज मूविंग इन अ स्लोप, इसमें स्लोप है तो रिवर होता है ऐसा और स्ट्रीम है ऐसा, ठीक है। इसमें जा रहा है एक बोट और बोट का अपना जो द डिस्टेंस इट कवर्स इज 30 किलोमीटर्स। 30 किलोमीटर्स डिस्टेंस जा रहा है। अभी एक बात आपको जानना है कि बोट जो होता है, ये सारे मोटर बोट, इनका अपना एक मोटर का स्पीड होता है। तो उसी चीज को ये लोग बोल रहे हैं इन स्टिल वाटर, मतलब कि वाटर का पुश नहीं मिलता तो फिर इस स्पीड से मूव करता 15 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर सिर्फ अपने मोटर के चलते। सो इन स्टिल वाटर बोट स्पीड इज 15 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर। सो स्पीड of boat, if I write speed of boat, that is enough, 15 kph. Okay, now the boat is going to move upstream this way and downstream this way. So it is going to go down the stream and up the stream. So it is going for a distance of 30 kilometers. Now there is one more force, एक और force है इसमें जो हम सोच नहीं रहे हैं, और वो है कि इस पानी का, this water's own force which has its own speed. So speed of stream that is also there, which is a y. Let us take it as a y, let us take it as an x, so that is not a problem. So you can take speed of boat also. In some sums nothing is given, boat and stream nothing is given, so you can take boat as x, this as y, stream as x, boat as y, no problem. There's no such fixed rule that you have to take the stream as y. Now let me see what is the upstream speed and what is the downstream speed. The main idea of the sum बस यहीं पे छुपा हुआ है। upstream speed, okay, upstream speed, upstream यानी कि at what speed can it move up. Now as it tries to move up with 15, it will be pushed down by a speed of y. So it is always 15 minus y. Remember, it is not y minus 15. कभी भी आप स्ट्रीम का स्पीड पहले नहीं लिख दीजिएगा, क्योंकि अगर स्ट्रीम का स्पीड बोट के स्पीड से ज़्यादा होगा तो बोट ऊपर जा ही नहीं पाएगा। अगर बोट ऊपर जा रहा है इसका मतलब है कि स्ट्रीम का स्पीड बोट के स्पीड से थोड़ा तो ज़्यादा है। ओके, नाउ स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम। नाउ स्पीड बोट तो खुद से 15 में चल रहा था, लेकिन ऊपर से उसको पानी ने और धक्का दे दिया, सो इट इज 15 प्लस वाई। ओके, पानी के पुश से इसका हो गया 15 प्लस वाई और इसका 15 माइनस वाई। ओके, सो अपस्ट्रीम में स्पीड इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी लेसर, डाउनस्ट्रीम स्पीड इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी मोर। सो नाउ हाउ मच इज द, नाउ व्हाट इज द speed of the, what is the equation? Now it is in still water is 15, we worked on this. It is going for a distance of 30 and returns to the same point, original point, in 4 hours 30 minutes. Means going down and coming up takes 4.5 hours. So let me write the equation now. So the equation is distance is 30 by, this is the time taken to go upstream. Okay, this is distance by speed. Remember, distance is equal to speed into time. So time is equal to distance by speed. बस मैं वही लिख रही हूँ यहाँ, distance by speed. Okay, this is time taken to go upstream plus time taken to go downstream is here, and that is 4.5 hours, which is 4.5. 4.5 is how much? 4.5 is equal to 4.5 is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, so 9 by 2. Okay, so this is I have written this was in kilometers per hour. So here also the time has been taken in hours. So don't do these mistakes. So here don't change it to meters per second or anything. Only change the whatever minutes they have given, change it to hour and write. So this is 4.5 hours. Now that is equal to, take the 30 out, 1 by 15 minus y plus 1 by 15 plus y. Okay, that is equal to 9 by 2. Cancel with a 3. Okay, if it is multiplication only, then you can cancel. Numerator can cancel with the numerator. Don't cancel it if it is plus or minus here. Okay, now I shall be continuing the sum here. So 10, and this is 15 plus y plus 15 minus y, bracket closed. This is 15 minus y into 15 plus y, that is 225 minus y square, 15 square minus y square, which is 3 by 2. Now here I will cancel this. I'll take the 2 up here, 20 into, this is a 30, and this side it is 3 into 225 minus y square, that is 600. Here it is 675. Okay, minus 3y square. So I can now take it as a, this side, if I take the 3y square this side and the 600 that side, I get a 75. Y is 25. Y square is 25. Y is equal to plus minus 5. This is a speed, and in this sum I cannot take the speed as a negative. So y is equal to plus 5. That means speed of the stream has come to a plus 5. Okay. What had they asked? They had asked, find the speed of the stream. Therefore, answer is 5 kilometers per hour is my answer. Speed of the stream. Okay. Now this is the question. A motorboat whose speed is, this time they have given us the speed of the boat again, and goes 12 kilometers downstream and comes back in a total of 3 hours. Find the speed of the stream. So let the speed of the stream be x kilometers per hour. Okay, and now how much is, we will first write upstream speed and downstream speed carefully. Speed upstream, okay, that is speed upstream is, boat will be more always, 9 minus x. Speed downstream will be 9 plus x. Now the equation, the distance is goes 12 kilometer downstream and comes back. Okay, so 12 by 9 minus x plus 12 by 9 plus x is equal to how much? 3 hours. Okay, so 12 here, 1 by 9 minus x plus 1 by 9 plus x, that is equal to 3. Cancel this 3. Don't multiply this 3. You will be in bigger trouble. This is another tip to getting this sum correct. 4, 9 plus x plus 9 minus x. Why am I doing this? Because the LCM is 9 minus x with a 9 plus x. So below this there is no 9 plus x, so I will multiply 9 plus x here. Below this there is no 9 minus x, so I will multiply 9 minus x here. That is equal to 1. Okay, so I will now cancel out the x, try to reduce as far as possible, and now I shall be doing the sum over here. So this is 4 into, this is 18. Okay, that is equal to 9 square minus x square. This goes that side, gets multiplied. This is 81 minus x square. This is 72. Okay, so here x square is equal to 9, x is equal to 3. Speed of the stream is 3 kilometers per hour. That is my answer. Okay, this is our next question. Motorboat whose speed is 5 kilometers in still water. So again, speed of this given. Takes 1 hour more to go upstream, 12 kilometers. Okay, and naturally to go up it will take more time. Going up always takes more time, and to return to the same spot. So find the speed of the stream. So let the, this sum is slightly different. Speed of the stream bx. Let the speed of the stream be x. Then how much time is it taking to go upstream? So to go upstream, first thing is speed upstream. How much is speed upstream? It is 5 minus x, that is the speed upstream. Okay, so first we have to decide on this and we have to write this clearly, and this 5 plus x. If we write this, we are going to get our sum correct. So you should always write speed upstream and speed downstream first correctly. Okay, and then you can start with your equation. The time taken to go upstream is more, they are saying. So here this is distance is 5, distance is 12, sorry, distance is 12 by 5 minus x. Okay, this is more, the time is more than to go downstream by how much? By 1 hour more, by 1. So this is my equation. Take that 12 out. Okay, till now we never had a minus, we always had a plus. This is 1 by 5 minus x minus 1 by 5 plus x, that is equal to 1. Here I have 5 plus x minus 5 plus x. Okay, that is and 25 minus x square is equal to 1. So continuing with the sum, I will be here this is 12 into this goes, okay, into 2x is 25 minus x square. I take that and I cross multiply. Okay, so this is 24x is 25 minus x square. So x square plus 24x minus 25 is equal to 0. So now I shall be getting the final answer, x square plus 25x minus x. This is my plus 24x minus 25. So I have splitted the middle term correctly because product of this is minus 25x square, product of these two. So x plus 25 minus x plus 25. अगर आपसे स्प्लिटिंग ठीक से नहीं हो पा रहा है तो आप जानिएगा कि आपकी इक्वेशन में कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. ओके, तो आप अपना इक्वेशन चेक कीजिएगा. x plus 25 and x minus 1 that is equal to 0. इफ आई टेक, मैंने इसको इस फैक्टर को ले लिया तो फिर x हो जाएगा क्या? x हो जाएगा माइनस 25 जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए. नो नेगेटिव स्पीड्स वी कैन टेक इन दिस सम्स. सो x इज इक्वल टू 1 लूंगी. ओके, सो स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम इज 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर. दिस इज माई आंसर. तो ये थे कुछ सिर्फ अपस्ट्रीम एंड डाउनस्ट्रीम का. ये पूरा वीडियो मैंने सिर्फ अपस्ट्रीम एंड डाउनस्ट्रीम के लिए बनाया क्योंकि मैंने स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ही मुश्किलें फेस करते हुए देखा है. सो होपफुली आपको समझ में आया है. तो फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो मेरा होगा वो होगा डबल डिजिट नंबर पे. ठीक है, वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा कन्फ्यूजन एरिया है सबके लिए. तो इफ़ यू हैव लाइक द वीडियो, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. बाय बाय.